want to show you a couple things. This is a roof that I did a while ago, and another roofer put it on and it's leaking and he won't come back out. So I'm going to show you where we've gone wrong here. So we're here to fix it, to do it the right way today. Look here, guys. The rubber is just butted up here. This is improper. This is so many ways this is wrong. It needs to pull all the way up. If you come around, Jose, come around the back of it and point in here. Get right down in here, guys. Come up inside of here. Guys, this is what we call a nightmare. This is terrible, terrible workmanship. Scan around real quick, Jose, so you can see it all. Okay, guys, this is not how roofing's supposed to be done. At Eustis Roofing, this would never fly. We don't do stuff like this. So we're gonna come in here and fix it, and then we're gonna show you why it's important to do it the way that we do. The number one reason is we'll come back out and fix it if you have a problem. This roofer, he ain't coming back out. And so we're gonna fix all this and show you what it looks like when we're done. Hey guys, it's Jason from Roof Talk, and we're back here on the job again. This job is finished. We started it the other day. Another roofer put the roof on, had multiple problems. It's having ponding water, all kinds of issues, and we got all those issues solved for this homeowner. So we wanted to show you a couple things, what it looks like when we're done and what it should look like. And this is a good example. If you look right here, this drip edge here is what we call a tapered drip edge. So it starts out a little smaller and gets bigger as it goes. And the reason that is the roof is tapered now. So we tapered the roof and made it so the roof has slope. So you don't have any standing water on the roof. And being the fact that we have a CNC machine, we're able to make everything we need to make so the job looks awesome. Most of the time roofers can't do this, and you'll see this nasty drip edge that's growing. It looks like crap. This is awesome because it all blends in. So this is a good example why you want to hire a roofer. It's got the equipment to really make your stuff look good. Listen, you don't have to own a $10 million house to get an awesome job. You don't have to be a millionaire to get it. Everybody deserves the same quality of work. You just have to know who to hire to get that. And right here is a really good example of that. So we're going to take you on the roof and show you what it looks like when it's finished the way it's supposed to be. So follow me up the ladder. Hey guys, we're back on the roof. This roof is finished now. Before we had some ponding water issues. Now we've built slope into the roof so that the water is going to drain off the roof and you won't have any more problems. Getting roof slope is one of the things that goes back to longevity. That's how you get longevity. So you don't have a bunch of water up here. If you look right here, it used to be all blocked off. If you come in here, so look up in here, there used to be a piece of metal running across here and it was holding water and leaking really bad. We removed all that, so now the water can run and get out. The water will be able to exit the building now. If you come out here, it's a nice, really neat transition. This rubber here goes all the way up underneath here, and then this is what we call like a beauty tap. It just kind of makes it look nice and protects your joint where this would be in the underneath here. So a lot different than what it looked like before, but this is the way it's supposed to be. So this is a good opportunity to show you what it's supposed to be and what it looked like before. So if you got any questions, give us a call. We can come look at your roof. It doesn't matter how old it is. We can usually find ways to make it better.